The boat hadn't toppled over. It had been worse. As John was reaching for David's hand, something had sucked him backwards. David watched as John was reaching upwards, then the water around him started flowing backwards. It flowed and jerked John down. His fingertips held onto the edge of the boat, and the whole thing rocked so violently in that moment, David was sure it would capsize. But it didn't. For a moment the water stopped rushing, and the boat fell back onto its belly, slamming David's back against the edge behind him. Water splashed over the sides of the boat, soaking David, but not sinking the thing.